Hello guys. Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nuella. If you're new here, welcome to the lovely family. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification to be notified anytime I post. And if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I obtained this my eyebrow routine with just $1. So if you want to see how I did that, keep on watching. And to my future subscribers thank you guys for commenting, thank you guys for sticking with me. I love you guys, and let's get right into the video. So I start by cleaning my eyebrows, then I go in with my eyebrow pencil. My $1 eyebrow pencil. Pro tip, make sure that it's very very sharp. And I start by drawing the lower part of my eyebrows. I draw it in a straight line. Basically, I just follow the shape of my eyebrows. Okay, after drawing the lower part of my eyebrows, I go ahead and draw the upper part of my eyebrows, just following the shape of my eyebrows. Okay, after that, then I start filling it in. I fill it in with the same exact eyebrow pencil, and I fill it in starting from the bottom part. Then I work my way up to the front part. So for the front part, I normally make a demarcation just because I have injury there, a scar from the injury I had when I was young. So when I make the demarcation, like you can see now, I draw a tiny strokes there. Then after drawing tiny what am I saying? After drawing tiny strokes there, I go in with my brush. Okay, get your brush your eyebrows and make everything look seamless. You don't want to draw your eyebrow and someone can still see some parts of your flesh. So I just keep doing that. I draw tiny strokes because I'm trying to cover up my scar. I draw tiny strokes, then I brush. I keep doing that until I get exactly what I want. So after that, I'm going to go in with my flat brush. Guys, get a very flat brush to make your work easier for you. So I go in with this flat brush that you guys would see right now, and also my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm in the shade Suede. So I use that to clean my brows. Now, be very careful with concealers because concealers can make or break your eyebrow. So I took too much concealer in the brush, so I decided to reduce them. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to reduce the concealer before I go in with drawing the line. So first off, you want to use the concealer to clean the lower part of your eyebrows and clean it in a straight line. Like, just follow the line according to how you drew it. The concealer is just to make everything look nice and popping. You understand what I'm saying, right? So yeah, use your concealer to clean the lower part of your eyebrows, and after that I went in with my beauty blender. You guys will see that soon. So let's talk, guys. How is your quarantine going? Tell me in the comment section how everything is going. As for me, I'm bored as hell. Like, I want to go out. I'm not the going out type, but at this point I just want to go somewhere. You get what I'm saying? Tell me, guys, in the comment section down below what you guys are doing during quarantine. And yeah, let's keep watching the video. Keep watching, okay? So right now I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend out everything together. At this point, this is how I just leave my eyebrows. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to clean the upper part of my eyebrows so that I'll show you guys what it looks like when you clean the upper part of your eyebrows. So I use my foundation and I go in with that same flat brush to clean the upper part of my eyebrows. For some people, you can use your you can use your concealer, but I just don't like the look my concealer looks when I do it. That's just what I'm trying to say now. I don't like the look it has when I use my concealer to clean it. So I just use the same shade of foundation. I cleaned that in a straight line, just like I cleaned the lower part of my eyebrows. Do the same thing to the upper part of your eyebrows, following the shape of your eyebrows. Clean everything, make it look nice, okay? After doing that, after like cleaning everything, use your beauty blender, the same beauty blender, to blend everything together. That's just what I'm doing, guys. The tip here is just blend nicely, okay? So for beginners, I have a tip for beginners. When I was first starting, eyebrows are sisters, not twins, so they normally don't look the same. So what I do is that I use my eye pencil to like draw a straight line connecting the both brows, okay? Connect it at your forehead area, above your nose. Guys, you will see what I'm saying as you watch the video. I connect it so that everything would look close to the same size, because I don't think they can ever be the same. So I do that so that everything will look close to the same size. Or you can also do the second tip I have for beginners. I no longer do this because I'm used to doing my eyebrows now, but for beginners who want to know how to do this is just a tip from a sister to a sister, okay? Just take your time while doing your eyebrows. There's nothing like 5 minutes makeup. Take your time, you will get it. If you don't get it today, just keep doing and you would get it. Keep watching videos and keep trying. Trust me, you would get what I'm saying, okay? So now you guys see what I'm doing. I'm connecting the two brows. After that, another tip I have is like this nose demarcation. I don't know how to explain it, but when you watch the video, you understand what I'm saying, okay? So I use the pencil to like know where to put the curve. You know the curve, you girls, you know what I'm talking about. That eyebrow curve that we normally have. I'm just trying to know where it is, like, so that everything will look together. So right now I'm like getting where it is. So you see where how I drew it, exactly where the curve should be. So guys, that's just the tip I have for beginners. I hope you guys really understand what I'm saying, okay? I'm tired. This is like the 15th time I'm taking this voiceover. But yeah, I'm just going to fast forward everything. I'm doing the same exact, I'm doing the exact same thing I did for the other eyebrows to these same eyebrows. So guys, tell me in the comment section down below, what are you guys doing for quarantine? I need tips. Okay, as for me, I've just been eating. I've been visiting my fridge a lot, so I want to know what should I do during quarantine. And yeah, I'm trying to work out too, but it's difficult. Guys, tell me in the comment section down below, how is your quarantine going? What are you guys doing for quarantine? Give me tips on what to do in my quarantine. And yeah, so if you like this video, you already know what to do. Please like, share to your friends. How about help a sister? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that will tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? You get what I'm saying. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and turn on the post notification to be notified each time I post. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So this is how the eyebrows look like. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.